John Robinson Lim Gokongwei Jr., or known as John Gokongwei, born in August 11, 1926 in Xiamen, Fujian Republic of China, died in November 9, 2019 at the age of 93 in Manila, Philippines. Nationality Filipino. Background education in De La Salle University. Occupation businessman, investor, philanthropist, banker. Known for founder and chairman emeritus of GZ Summit Holdings. Spouse of Elizabeth Yu in 1958. Have 6 children, including Lance and Robina. His father name is John Gokongwei Sr. Business career. John Gokongwei Jr. was a successful Filipino entrepreneur who founded Universal Robina Corporation after starting his career in trading post-World War II. He expanded his business into food manufacturing with notable products like Blend 45 instant coffee, and diversified into aviation with Cebu Pacific Air and telecommunication with the Digital Telecommunication Philippines. Gokongwei made significant acquisitions including a stake in Meralco, the largest power distributor in the Philippines. He was recognized for his philanthropy and included in Forbes Asia's Heroes of the Philanthropy list. His biography highlights his business journey and principle for success, and he and his family owns companies worth over 20 billion. Personal life. John Gokongwei Jr. married Elizabeth Yu in 1958 and had 6 children, 1 son, Lance, and 5 daughters, Lisa, Robina, Faith, Hope, and Marcia. All his children are actively involved in the Gokongwei Group, with Robina serving as COO of Robinson Retail Holding, Inc., and Lance as President of CEO of GG Summit. Gokongwei was related to notable families in the Philippines, including being a second cousin once removed to Andrew Gutierrez Sr. and having ties to the Gaisano family. He was also first cousin once removed of Nikki Cositing. Death. Gokongwei died in Manila on November 9, 2019 at the age of 93. Exactly 1 week after his death, his widow Elizabeth Yu Gokongwei died at the age of 85.